Hi folks, this is John from WP Mayor, and today we're taking a look at the WooCommerce booking and appointment plugin from taikesoftware.com, and this is an add-on for WooCommerce. So you download WooCommerce and then you buy this plugin as an add-on. So what this plugin does obviously is enable booking and appointment functionality within WooCommerce. The great thing about this plugin is that it integrates fully with WooCommerce and all those other add-ons for WooCommerce, like for example payment gateways. So this is a really one of the main features of this plugin. The main advantages is that it's powered on by WooCommerce, and so it can use all those features which would be really hard to build in a separate plugin. So with regards to pricing, it's a very straightforward pricing structure. You've got $79 for the single store version. 5 stores will cost $199, and for unlimited stores, it costs $249. The unlimited stores option is very handy for developers who are creating websites for their clients, and within these websites include booking or appointment functionality on WooCommerce. So let's take a look at the page hosting this software. You've got a front-end demo and an admin demo. Then you've got a video demonstration of the product. You've got some details, features of the product, and some of the main examples, which would be ideal candidates for using this plugin, such as hair salons, spas, personal trainers, and the like. The benefits, some of which we already spoke about, compatibility, and a short installation guide. Support is via a contact request, basically email support, which works perfectly fine. The developer, Ashok, replies personally to your support requests, and basically that's it on this page. There's a documentation page, which is quite comprehensive, although it's just one page here. You've got all the setup, functionality, screenshots, and basically it features everything you need to know to start using the plugin. I think also includes a handy quick start guide and the video, which we've already seen on the other page. At the time of review, it's version 1.1, which has just been released. So it's quite a young plugin, but it's actually becoming really popular since this niche of booking and appointment plugins has really been underserved in these last few years. So there's really been no major contender for best booking and appointment plugin, and possibly this plugin may fill that void in the market. So let's take a look at how things work, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm in my dashboard, and under WooCommerce, there's the booking settings submenu. So once we click on that, we've got the settings which pertain to the booking add-on for WooCommerce. So the first setting is the language. You have a number of languages you can set for your calendar, and as you can see, the calendar changes according to the language we select. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back to English. So we've got a number of date formats you can choose from. You've got also 24-hour or 12-hour time formats, and the number of months to show in the calendar. It's basically just 1 or 2 months, because showing more than that would really mess up everything and really make it too much, yeah? So we've got a number of themes here, which, if I'm not mistaken, are the same themes from jQuery UI. So once you select a theme, it automatically updates the calendar. What I like is that there's this little question mark image here, which when hovered upon gives you some advice on using that particular option, which is a nice touch with regards to UI for this plugin. And finally, we can select some dates to black out or exclude. So say I don't want the 15th of August to be included in my calendar. All I need to do is click on the 15th of August here. Same if I want to just select that whole week I would just hit them all like that. Click save, and we're done. So all these have been blocked. Just to confirm, they've been blacked out. And that's all the settings which pertain to the booking add-on itself. So we're gonna save the changes and start by creating our new bookable service. To create a product via WooCommerce and the WooCommerce booking add-on, we have to create it through WooCommerce. So we just go to the products page, hit add new product, and in this case I've quickly prepared one of sample products. So I hit edit. So this is a walking tour of Valletta, our capital city in Malta. I've added the description here, and the price, which is 10 British pounds, and I've added a featured image. Now the interesting thing which concerns us is the booking meta box, which is the direct result of installing the WooCommerce booking and appointments add-on. Now, since my service is bookable by date only, I need to select this first option here, enable booking date. And once I've got that, that's all I need to do from this part. I can hit update, and we can see how this looks on the front end. So I've got my walking tour, there's the featured image, description, and even here, you got some description. And the interesting thing now here is that the booking date is available. So we can select our date and add to cart. So this product has been added to the cart, and you can just check out as usual with WooCommerce, of course. So that's it. You can proceed to checkout and you'll check out. So that's how to create a date-based product or service. Now let's see how we can create a date-based but also time-based product. Before we get to time-based bookings, I just want to circle back to our simple product here and take a look at the blackout days. So remember, when we set up the general settings of the WooCommerce booking and appointments add-on, we had blacked out some days. Now this can also be done on a individual product basis, and this is where you can do it. I just went here and selected these dates, so these will be blacked out. For example, if I go on my holidays during this period, I cannot, of course, offer the tours. So I just black them out and hit update. And when we go on the front end and people try to book, they're gonna find these dates blacked out. Another thing you can do is set the days when this product will be available. Right now it's just an open product, and it's available basically on every day of our calendar, except for the blacked out days. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to remove these blackouts, and I'm gonna select recurring weekdays. So I want this product to be available on Mondays and on Wednesdays. I hit update, and once I've updated, I can go down and select and check out the booking dates and time slots, which are Mondays and Wednesdays. And correspondingly on the front end, I should be able to see an updated calendar with Mondays and Wednesdays available for booking. Another thing I can do is to select particular days which will be available for booking. So heading back to my product, I'm going to delete these slots, go to booking options, remove the recurring weekdays, save just in case. And now what I'm going to do is select a number of days, specific days, where this product will be available. So I say this product will be available only on Wednesday, 7th August and Monday, 19th August. I close that. So this product will be available on only 2 days. It's just 2 days in August. I head back to our tabs and we see that there are just 2 specific date slots here. And correspondingly again on the front end, I hit refresh and I will only see these 2 days which are available for booking. So now we're ready to check out the time-based booking. Now it's time to introduce the time variable in our bookings. So I've got my walking tour and I want to make it available from 9 a.m. till noon. And this tour will take 1 hour each slot. So basically I'll be having 3 tours per day. How to do it? We've got Monday and Wednesday, which are my booking days, and I need to enter 3 slots. So the first slot will be between 9 and 10. The second slot will be from 10 till 11. And the third slot will be between 11 and 12. I've also got a lockout time slot after X number of orders option, which means that I'll be taking maximum number of 30 people per group. So that's it. We've added our times. We hit the update button and we should be able to see them in our view tab. So here we go. We've got 3 time slots on Monday, 3 time slots on Wednesday. Going back to the front end, we hit refresh. We select one of the dates and we've got now this new booking time drop down. So I can select 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and add to cart as usual. So that's all very easy for date and time-based bookings. When it comes to booking plugins, the big request is that of allowing the booking of properties such as apartments, hotels, etc. In version 1.1 of this plugin, this feature has been introduced. So in this case, I'll be showing you how I could create an apartment listing and rent it out. So I created an apartment in St. Julian's listing, put a description as usual, put a featured image, and to enable the booking and checkout date, all I need to do is click the first checkbox and the allow multiple day booking. Once I do that, that's all I need to do. I set the price of £50 per night and I hit update. Now on the front end, as you can see here, if I refresh the page, I'll have my apartment. There's the featured image, the description. I can select a date to check in and a date to check out. In this case, it's 1 night, so the price is £50. Add to cart as usual, and that's the whole booking. The nice thing about this feature is that you can also integrate with variable pricing from WooCommerce. So that is right here. So you can create variations. So you can say the child, for example, will have to pay only £20, or there will be a free accommodation for children, or it can be for 1 person £50 and for 2 persons £80 instead of 100. You can introduce all these kinds of variations into your product using the inbuilt variable product from your WooCommerce, and that will be integrated automatically into the booking form on the front end. Would I recommend this plugin? Definitely. This is one of the best booking and appointment plugins I've come across. It's a very new plugin, but it started on a very good base, and we're seeing a lot of people leave comments, as we can see even on the homepage of the plugin. There's regular feedback by all those who are buying this plugin, and the author Ashok is very conducive to feedback and is always working hard to introduce new features. So I think this is really one of the best and most promising plugins for WordPress right now. The fact that it's integrated with WooCommerce, although it will probably marginalize some clients who don't have WooCommerce or prefer to work with another e-commerce system, I think it's a good decision in the sense that WooCommerce in itself is very popular. It has all the right interfaces. It integrates with many shopping carts, so a lot of things which relate to bookings are already done within WooCommerce. The only thing that was needed was really a method of integrating the booking process with the products that you can already create with WooCommerce. So I think this is a winner. I highly recommend it for all those who already use WooCommerce and want to create a booking system on top of WooCommerce. This is the plugin you should be looking at.